Starting a consulting business in Dubai is a smart move if you want to access global clients, low taxes, and a strong economy. Whether you are in IT, marketing, finance, or strategy, Dubai has become a serious hub for consultants. But if you don't plan the setup properly, you can run into legal issues or hidden costs. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps, cost, and requirements to start your consulting business the right way. Before we start, my name is Shiraz Fahid, and I've helped hundreds of business owners and their families move to Dubai, set up their business, residency, and banking, and legally reduce their taxes. If you want my help in doing the same, you can book a strategy call with me at setuphero.com/call. The first step of starting your consulting company in Dubai is deciding the right company structure for your consulting business. In Dubai, you can choose between a mainland company and a free zone company. A mainland company allows you to operate anywhere in the UAE and take on local government contracts, but it may require working with a local service agent. A free zone company, on the other hand, allows you 100% foreign ownership and offers a simpler setup and operational flexibility. But you are restricted to doing business within the free zone internationally or other B2B businesses in Dubai, but local government contracts and selling B2C is not allowed unless you have a local distributor. For most consulting businesses, setting up a free zone is the easiest and the most cost effective option. Popular free zones for consultants include the DMCC, that's the Dubai Multi Commodity Center, Dubai Internet City, and Dubai Knowledge Park. Each has its own fee structure, office requirements, and licensing process, so it's essential to compare these before making a decision. Once you have selected a free zone, you will need to apply for a consulting license. This typically involves submitting your passport, proof of address, business plan, and sometimes a CV or qualification to prove your expertise in the field. Many free zones also offer flexi-desk or virtual office options, which can save you money on office space while still meeting licensing requirements. After your license is approved, you'll receive your trade license and your establishment card, which you will need for applying for your residency visa and opening a bank account. A Dubai bank account is essential for receiving payments from clients, paying suppliers, and managing your finances. Banks typically require your trade license, Emirates ID, and proof of address. Some banks may also ask for a business plan or proof of income, especially if you are new to the UAE's market. Visa processing is another key step. Most free zones allow you to sponsor your own visa as the business owner and sponsor additional visas if needed for your employees. Visa fee include the cost of medical test, Emirates ID, the visa itself, so you need to budget accordingly. Understanding the VAT and the corporate tax is essential for any consulting business. If your taxable turnover exceeds 375,000 dirhams per year, you are required to register for VAT and charge a 5% on your invoice. Even if you don't exceed this threshold initially, voluntary registration can be beneficial if you plan to work with large clients or want to reclaim VAT on business expenses. Accounting and tax compliance are critical for long-term success. Dubai requires companies to maintain a proper accounting record and file annual tax returns. While consultants in the UAE enjoy a tax-friendly environment and no personal income tax, the 9% corporate tax on profits over 375,000 dirhams means that you need to keep accurate accounting records and file for corporate tax returns annually. Hiring an accountant or working with professional service such as SetupHero can help you manage these obligations more efficiently. Marketing your consulting business is the next step. Dubai's market is competitive, so building a strong brand and networking effectively are key to attracting clients. Invest in a professional website, optimize your LinkedIn profile, and attend industry events to build your network. Word of mouth referrals are particularly powerful in Dubai's business community. One of the biggest advantages of running a consulting business in Dubai is the high demand for specialized expertise. Dubai attracts businesses and investors from around the world, creating opportunities for consultants to work on diverse projects. Whether you specialize in management, marketing, finance, HR, or IT, there is a steady demand for quality consulting services. Cost for setting up a consulting business in Dubai can vary depending on the free zone and the office package you choose. You can expect to pay between 15,000 dirhams to 25,000 dirhams per year of your trade license fee and office space. Additional costs include visa fee, medical fee, Emirates ID, and insurance and marketing expenses. Having a clear budget will help you plan and avoid surprises. Working with an experienced business setup advisor can save you time and money. They can help you navigate the licensing process, choose the best free zone, and provide a transparent breakdown of cost. Can also assist with renewals, visa processing, and compliance, allowing you to focus on growing your business. So, if you would like my help in setting up your consulting business in Dubai, managing your license, and building a tax efficient structure, you can book a strategy call with me at setuphero.com/call. We will develop a plan that suits your needs and goals. And if you're serious about building a successful consulting business in Dubai, you should really check out my next video right here.